Hi, my name is Lauren, and I'm a physiotherapist at the Proactive Pelvic Health Center, and I have a special interest in pediatrics. So I work with kiddos quite a bit who are withholding poop or withholding stool. And so one of the main reasons that kids might do this is that they have a fear of pooping or they're scared of the toilet. So fears of pooping can happen when a kid might have a painful bowel movement or a painful poop, and then they don't want to do that again. And so what they'll do is they'll withhold so that they don't have to poop, which can also cause some other issues, which we'll talk about. And sometimes kids are scared of using the toilet, and so they'll withhold because they don't want to use it. So maybe they don't want to use the toilet at school or daycare or grandma's house. And the reason why this is important to treat is because it can cause constipation. So the longer that poop sits in the rectum, in the intestines, the more water gets drawn out and the harder the poop gets. And so then it becomes harder to poop. So it can become more painful to poop. And so stool withholding can look like squeezing the bum cheeks, toe walking because they're squeezing the whole posterior chain, the whole back body, sitting on their heels, maybe they're crossing their legs. And all of this can result in increased tension in the pelvic floor. And this can make it harder to poop. It can make it harder to pee, and it can make it so that we're not emptying completely when we're peeing or pooping. And over time, if we have increased tension for too long, it can also weaken the pelvic floor, which can result in pee or poo leaking. And so what can you do to help? Addressing the child's fears can be helpful. And so figuring out, is it that they're scared of pooping? Is it that they're scared of the toilet? Is there something about the toilet that maybe we can change to help them feel more comfortable using it? Managing the constipation with laxatives if needed is also helpful. And so that can just help soften the stool or maybe even clear out a backup if the child's been constipated for a long time. And then we can also work on relaxing the pelvic floor through stretches like the butterfly stretch or just increased movement in general for younger kids, and also some breathing, which can be great to help relax the pelvic floor. So we're thinking about blowing bubbles, blowing nose makers. And so these are things that we can do to help kids who are having some poop withholding. And it's definitely great to chat with a physio if your child is having some poop withholding, because we can approach it from multiple different angles.